Alberta is one of three provinces, along with Saskatchewan and Manitoba, opposing the federal government's proposed expanded firearms ban. In last-minute amendments to Bill C-21 this past Monday, plans were put in place to outlaw new models of legally owned firearms and shotguns, a move that would affect hundreds of thousands of firearms owners in Western Canada. Alberta Minister of Justice Tyler Shandro condemning the change, saying, if these amendments are allowed to proceed, Bill C-21 will be the most sweeping and arbitrary ban of firearms in Canadian history. Shandro also continuing to say this is all part of the federal government's plan to ban legal firearms ownership altogether.